Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. If you have been feeling like life has been unusually challenging lately, or if you're sensing that something is shifting but you cannot quite put a finger on it, this message may be for you. Sometimes, before a major breakthrough, life doesn't look better, it looks more confusing. Plans fall apart, relationships change, you feel lost, uncertain, or even disconnected from who you used to be. But what if these changes aren't happening to you? What if they are happening for you? So today we are talking about 5 signs that universe is preparing you for something bigger. And if you're experiencing any of these signs right now, take a deep breath and know that you might be closer to your next chapter than you realize. So let's begin. Sign number 1, things are falling apart. One of the most common signs that something bigger is on the horizon is that parts of your life begins to fall away. A relationship ends. A job no longer feels aligned. Friendships become distant. Opportunities you thought would work out suddenly disappear. At first, it feels painful and confusing. You wonder why things aren't working despite your best efforts. But sometimes the universe removes what no longer can support the person you are becoming. It's difficult to build a new life by holding tightly to your old one. What feels like rejection may actually be redirection, and what feels like loss may be making space for something new. Trust that not everything leaving your life is a punishment. Something leave because their purpose has been fulfilled. Sign number 2, you've been asked to slow down. In the world that encourages constant action, slowing down can feel uncomfortable. You may find yourself exhausted, needing more rest, or feeling less motivated than usual. You might feel called to spend more time alone, reflecting rather than rushing. Many people interpret this as laziness or lack of progress, but spiritually, this season often serves a powerful purpose. A caterpillar doesn't become a butterfly by working harder, it transforms in stillness. The universe may be inviting you inward so you can hear your own wisdom more clearly. Sometimes growth isn't about moving faster, sometimes it's about becoming still enough to listen. Sign number 3, old wounds are resurfacing. You may notice emotions you thought you already healed suddenly returning. Old fears, insecurities, childhood wounds, or limiting beliefs may come up unexpectedly. While this can feel frustrating, it's actually a sign of deep healing. The universe doesn't bring these wounds back to hurt you, it brings them back because you're finally strong enough to release them. You cannot take old baggage into your new chapter of your life. These emotions are asking you to be acknowledged, loved, and transformed. Instead of asking, why is this happening again? Try asking, what is the experience trying to teach me? You may discover that what feels like a setback is actually a breakthrough in disguise. Sign number 4, your intuition is getting stronger. Have you noticed yourself receiving more signs, synchronicities, or inner nudges lately? Maybe you keep seeing repeating numbers. Maybe a message appears repeatedly from different sources, or perhaps you simply have a feeling deep within that change is coming. When the universe is preparing you for something bigger, your intuition often becomes louder. The challenge is the intuition rarely makes logical sense. It whispers instead of shouts. It asks you to trust before you can see the entire path. The more you honor those subtle nudges, the stronger your connection becomes. Your soul often knows what's coming long before your mind can understand it. The last sign, sign number 5, you feel called to something more. Perhaps the strongest sign of all is a quiet feeling that your current life no longer fits. Even if things look fine on the outside, something inside you longs for more meaning, more purpose, more authenticity. You may not know exactly what the next step is, but you know you cannot remain where you are. This feeling isn't dissatisfaction, it's expansion. It's your soul reminding that you are meant for growth. The universe places that yearning inside your heart for a reason. Your future often begins as a whisper before it becomes your reality. And that whisper is inviting you to trust yourself enough to follow it. So, if you're experiencing any of these signs right now, know that you're not lost. You're simply in between chapters. If this message resonated with your heart, please give this video a like and share it with someone who may need this reminder. And I love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these signs are you experiencing right now? Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of healing, growth, and spiritual transformation. Until next time, take a deep breath, trust your journey. Thank you.